What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today we're cooking this delicious Escovitch fish festival and fried Bammy. Yes guys, so I'm starting out by preparing the Bammy first. What I am doing here is that I am slicing the Bammy into quarters just like this. The Bammy is made from cassava, and what they do is that they grate it, then they separate the cassava from the liquid part of it and squeeze it until it is as dry as possible. Then they shape it into some cassava cakes just like you see here. So to reintroduce moisture into it, I am going to add some coconut milk to it, which is mixed with some salt, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of water to help cover my Bammy. So what the Bammy will do here is that it will soak up some of the coconut milk and have a nice flavor to it, and the salt, and just make it as delicious as possible after frying them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow the Bammy to soak up some of the coconut milk for at least 30 minutes. If you can make it soak for longer than that, then go ahead and do it. The Bammy will be softer and more flavorful. Moving on to the festival. To make the festival, I am using 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup cornmeal, and a little bit of cinnamon powder. For the binding ingredient, I am using 1 cup of water. To the water, I am going to add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons sugar and stir. Before I start making the dough, I add about a tablespoon of butter to the dry mixture and mix it into the flour. Then I start adding the water. The dough should look something like this. Next, the fish. For the fish, I am going to remove all of the fins from it because I'm not going to eat it, so I just remove it ahead of time. I'm going to do the same to each of the other fish before I wash them. So for washing them, I always use some lime and vinegar. After cleaning them up, I went ahead and made 2 slits on both sides of each of the fish. Then I pat dry them just to remove the extra moisture. So these are the seasoning that I will be using to season the fish. I have some salt, some black pepper, some fish season, and some all-purpose seasoning. I am going to start by seasoning the inside of the fish with some salt and then the outside. Then I am seasoning the inside with some black pepper, then the outside. Then I'm going to season only the outside with the fish season and the all-purpose seasoning. I'm just going to allow them to rest for about 15 minutes before frying. After the 15 minutes, it's time to fry them. So to a pot, I add a good amount of oil, a clove of garlic, and a hot Scotch bonnet pepper. When the oil got really hot, I add my fish one by one into the pot. And this will fry for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat or until it is golden. While I was frying them, I realized that it was difficult to turn them because they were sticking to the pot. So what I did was that I coated them in a little bit of flour and then they started turning perfectly. So when the fish was finished frying, I changed the oil and started frying the festival. So this is the shape that they took in the pot. If you can make them look better than this, kudos to you. I try my best. Okay, so on to frying the bammy. What I did is that I drained off some of the coconut milk because I don't want it to splash and burn me while I was putting them into the oil. So just be careful in the kitchen, guys. And this is it, guys, some Escovitch Fish Festival and fried Bammy. If you watched the video to this far, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.